Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your CBSE 9 in one shot, and today we are discussing the topic lines and angles in one shot, right? So as you all know, in this one shot series we are revising all the chapters, and in one session we'll be completing the whole part. So I'll be quickly touching all the topics, we'll revising whatever we have learned till now, and then we'll solve some questions related to it. Okay, so let's start the class. Before this, please share the video with all your friends so that many students can join now and then they can learn the whole chapter. So please share the session right now among all your groups, in all your groups, wherever your friends are. Those who are not aware of it, at least they'll also get to know about this and they'll also learn this chapter. Okay, so let's start the class now. First thing, basic terms and definitions. So as we all know, point is what is which has no component. That means point is a dimensionless thing. Okay, it does not have any component. Then line. So line is when we join two distinct points, then we get a line. Simple thing. Okay, a line has no endpoints. It can be extended indefinitely. That means these arrows represent that the line can be extended in both the direction. Okay, so this is called your line. Line segment is a part of a line and it is of definite length. It has some length, fixed length it has. Ray will have one end point, the other point will extend indefinitely. So remember, for a line and a ray, length we cannot find out the length because they can be extended indefinitely. But for a line segment, we can say it is of definite length, right? So these are your point, line segment and ray. Arrow means it is extended over here and over here in both the direction. Line segment not extended in any direction. Ray, this point is fixed, this point is extended indefinitely. Okay. Then collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points means 3 points. If they all 3 points lie in a straight line, then they are called collinear points. And if 3 points are not lying in a straight line, you can see I cannot join the points D, E and F with a single straight line. So they are called non-collinear points. Okay. Now the types of angles we have. So first we have acute angle, that is between 0 degree to 90 degree. Right angle, which is 90 degree. The sign is represented like this. Okay. Obtuse angle, which is more than 90 but less than 180. When it is 180, it is a straight angle. It is a straight angle because it forms a straight line. Okay. Then we have the reflex angle, which is more than 180 but less than 360. And when we rotate complete 360 degree, we get the same thing. So 0 degree and 360 degree are the same angles, and 360 degree is called complete angle. Okay. Next part, complementary angles. So two angles whose sum add up to be 90 degree. That means suppose if it is angle A, if it is angle B, you can clearly see A plus B is 90 degree. So we can say they are complementary. Okay, supplementary means, let's say this is X, this is Y, adding both, if you get 180 degree as your answer, that will be supplementary angle. Now remember, for complementary and supplementary angles, we do not want, it is not necessary that the angles are adjacent angles. For example, if I draw one angle like this, which is 30 degree, and another angle like this over here, which is 60 degree, so I can call them complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. It is not necessary that they should be adjacent to each other. Okay. Same with the supplementary angle. Not necessary that the angles has to be adjacent. It can be anything. Okay. After that, adjacent angles means two angles will be there. Okay. Both the angles will have a common ray. So this is a common ray. So these angles are formed between two common rays and two non-common rays. Okay, so two angles have the same vertex and the same vertex as well. Same vertex and their one of arm is common. So remember, when they are adjacent angles, suppose this is A, this is B. So A and B are adjacent angles. Got it? And suppose this complete angle is, let's say, 70 degree. This complete angle is, let's say, 70 degree. So I can say A plus B will be equal to 70 degree. Right? Linear pair of angles means two angles which are adjacent as well as supplementary. Two angles which are adjacent angles also. That means they are near to each other. One ray will be common, two non-common rays, one common vertex, as well as they are supplementary as well. That means their sum will be 180 degree. So on a straight line, you pick any point, you draw a ray in any direction, you will always get two linear pair of angles. So P plus Q will be equal to 180 degree. Vertically opposite angle means when two lines intersect, the pair of angles which are formed on the opposite sides, they are equal. So these are called vertically opposite angles. These are called what? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then intersecting lines, non-intersecting lines. If two lines are intersecting at a point, that will be called intersecting lines. If two lines never intersect, we call them parallel lines. We call them parallel lines. Remember, the distance between two parallel lines is always same. And the distance between two parallel lines is measured by drawing a common perpendicular to both the lines. So this will be the distance between these two parallel lines. Okay. Now, pair of angles axiom. So what is this thing? First thing, if a ray stands on a line, the sum of the two adjacent angles formed by that ray is 180 degrees. That means, suppose same thing I have told, if the line is there, if I draw a ray somewhere, so these two angles will be linear pair and their sum will be 180 degree. So reason you can write it as linear pair. Okay. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the arms which are not common of the angles form a line. That means, suppose if I give you, say A, B, it is O and it is C. If I give you that angle AOC plus BOC, let's say this is 120, this is 60. So you can clearly see angle AOC plus angle BOC is becoming what? 120 plus 60, which means 180 degree. So if the sum is 180 degree, I can clearly say AB is a straight line. What is AB? AB is a straight line. Okay, beta? This is how you can get this part. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Vertically opposite angles. So remember, angle in this opposite angles are equal. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOD. Angle COB is equal to, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. They are called vertically opposite angles. The proof I have done under Umang series. There you can refer the proofs. Okay. Then parallel lines and the transversal. So first thing, let's say M is parallel to N. Now what is a transversal line? Remember beta, a transversal line is a line which will intersect the given lines at distinct points. That means at different points. Suppose I have three lines like this. So if I draw, I will tell this line L to be a transversal if it is intersecting all the three lines at different points. Then only I will call it a transversal. So you can clearly see both the point of intersection are different with these lines. Okay. Now here angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. They are called exterior angles because they are outside. Can you get the idea? They are outside. See, they are outside. So they are exterior angles. So similarly, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, they will be called interior angles. What they will be called? They will be called interior angles. This will be helping you for the naming. What is exterior angle? What is interior angle? That will help you for naming purpose. Okay. Now, if two lines are parallel, that is M is parallel to N, then first pair of angle is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle you can say, like suppose if I break it from here in half part. So 1 and 5 will be at the same place, 2 and 6 will be at the same place, 3 and 7 will be at the same place, 4 and 8 are at the same place. So 1 and 5 are corresponding angles, 2 and 6 are corresponding angle, 4 and 8 are corresponding angle, 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. अब याद रखना बेटा, if M is parallel to N, I can say corresponding angles are equal. That means if this line M and N are parallel, I can say all these angles are going to be equal. Angle 1 and angle 5 are equal, angle 2 and angle 6 are equal, angle 3 and angle 7 are equal, angle 4 and angle 8 are equal. Now the converse of this is written like this, that suppose I have not given that M or N are parallel or not, I have not given you that. But if I give you that suppose if corresponding angles are equal, I have given. Suppose I have given to you that corresponding angles are equal. That means suppose I have given you that angle A and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 5, both are equal to, let us say, 120 degree. So the pair of corresponding angles are equal. If they are equal, then you can say the lines also will be parallel. So M is parallel to N. Okay? So if the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding angles are equal, lines will be parallel. Next thing we have is alternate interior angle. अब देखो, interior meaning I have told you, alternate means opposite sides. So out of these interior angle, you can see 3 is present on the right side of the transversal. So the interior angle which is on the opposite side will be angle 5. So angle 3 and angle 5 is one pair. Then angle 4 and angle 6 is another pair, right? So remember, if the lines M and N are parallel, if M is parallel to N, we can say interior alternate angles are equal. That means if L and M are if M and N are parallel, angle 4 will be equal to angle 6, angle 3 will be equal to angle 5. Opposite, the converse for this theorem also exists exactly like that. Ki bhai, if interior alternate angles are equal, then we can say lines will be parallel. So if the lines are parallel, interior alternate angles are equal. If interior alternate angles are equal, lines must be parallel. Both the ways it will work. Okay. Now next part, alternate exterior angle. Now name suggests, see, alternate beta, the meaning of alternate we know is what? Opposite side. And this time we are talking about exterior angle. So for angle 1, the opposite angle is angle 7. And for angle 2, the opposite angle is angle 8. Right? And remember, they are also equal if lines are parallel. They are also equal if lines are parallel. And the converse exists for them as well. The converse is true for them as well. That means if alternate exterior angles are equal, I can say lines will be parallel. Okay. Then interior consecutive angles. Ab dekho, the meaning of consecutive means same side. The meaning of consecutive means what? Same side. So same side mein beta what do we get? Let's listen here carefully. Same side mein what do we have? Same side, and that too interior angles. Interior angles which are on the same side of the transversal. So you can see 3 and 6, they are on the same side. Ab yaad rakhna beta, in consecutive angles, if we have interior consecutive angles, they are very special because see, till now we learned vertically opposite angles equal, corresponding angles equal, interior alternate angles equal, exterior alternate angles equal when the lines are parallel. But in consecutive angles, suppose interior consecutive angles, if I will say, if the lines are parallel, if M is parallel to N, remember interior consecutive angles are supplementary. So they are not equal, but they are supplementary. That means angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 will also be equal to 180 degree. Right? Similarly, one more pair exists, that is your exterior consecutive angles. Exterior consecutive angles. Same way here also, if M is parallel to N, exterior consecutive angles are not equal, supplementary. Okay, so dekho, name by name, what do you think? Exterior angles, that too consecutive, that means on the same side. So I can say angle 1 and angle 8 are on the same side. So angle 1 plus angle 8 will be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 7 will be equal to 180 degrees. ठीक है बेटा, this is how it will be done. Got it? Okay. Now remember interior consecutive angles. These consecutive angles are also called co-interior angles or co-exterior angles. Right? Consecutive angles are also called co-interior, co-exterior. ठीक है? Next part. So अब same thing which I have told, converse exists for corresponding angles also, alternate angles also, as well as consecutive angles as well. ठीक है? For all it will exist. ठीक है? What I have told, converse. If lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding angles are equal, lines must be parallel. If lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal, be it interior alternate or exterior alternate. If lines are parallel, alternate angles will be equal. If alternate angles are equal, lines must be parallel. So the converse are used to prove whether lines are parallel or not. So whenever the question asks that prove that these two lines are parallel, so in that case we'll be using converse theorem. And if we have to find out the angles, in that case we'll be using the normal theorems. ठीक है बेटा. Next part, lines parallel to the same line. So remember, suppose if I give you that this line AB is parallel to CD, this line AB is parallel to CD, and if I give you that this line EF also is parallel to CD, this line EF also is parallel to CD, so I can say this AB and EF also will be parallel to each other. Then AB and EF also will be parallel to each other, or we can say all the lines are parallel to each other, or we can say all the lines are parallel to each other. ठीक है? Next part, angle sum property of a triangle. So remember, it says that the sum of three angles of a triangle, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. How do you prove it? By suppose triangle ABC is given. So you will do one construction where you will draw a line DE parallel to AC. Now by interior alternate angles, if this angle is A, this will also be A. If this is angle C, this will also be C. You can clearly see that angle A plus angle B plus angle C over here will be 180 degree because it is forming a straight angle. Bas, proof is done. ठीक है? I have done the proof in more detail in Umang series. Just refer that part. Okay. Then exterior angle theorem, what does it say? That if the side of a triangle is produced, if you produce any one side of a triangle, so the angle, the produced side, the angle which the produced side make with its adjacent side, this angle is called exterior angle. Okay, and this angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That means opposite to this, which are the two interior angles? This and this. So I can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3. ठीक है बेटा? This is the theory. अब यहाँ पे the proof is again very easy. Let's say this is your angle 4. Okay, let's say this is your angle 4. So first thing we know, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Triangle's angle sum property. Then we know that angle 3 plus angle 4 also will be equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair. Equating both the equations, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 4 to angle 4 got cancelled. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Okay, this is your exterior angle theorem. So this is the theory in this whole chapter. Now we will be solving some questions. Before that, bhai dekho, if right now you are facing like the problems while you are solving questions and you think that your doubts are not being solved on time or you need some proper guidance, all of you are more than welcome to join Vedantu's Pro course, the link for which is mentioned in the description box. In that, your doubts will be solved by all the dedicated teachers. The notes, whatever I'm going to teach you, that also will be downloadable notes. You can download this. Plenty of micro courses are there which you can learn any chapter wherever time you want. Everything is there. Okay? So it's a very good part. You can check that out. The link for the course is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as it will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Go there and apply the coupon code GPE Pro to get 20% off. To get 20% off. Okay, beta? Chal. Let's go for the next part. The next question is what? This. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Both the lines are intersecting at O. Angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B is 2:3. Find C. We need to find out the value of angle C. Okay. अब देखो बेटा, यार I know angle POX. भाई I know angle POX plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. Angle POY is 90 degree, so I can say POX plus 90 is equal to 180. So clearly we have got angle POX is equal to 90 degree. ठीक है, first part. अब angle POX, look in the diagram. Angle POX is made up from angle A and angle B. So I can say, sir, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle POX, which means their sum is equal to 90 degree. The reason being they are adjacent angles. Okay, A is to B is given as 2 is to 3. So I can take angle A as 2x and angle B as 3x. So angle A will be 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. So 5x is equal to 90. So I can say x is equal to 18 degrees. That means I can say that, sir, angle A is equal to 2 into 18, which is 36 degree, and angle B is equal to 3 into 18, which is 54 degrees. We have got angle A and angle B. Now we need to find out the value of angle C. Ab dekho, again I know MN is a straight line. So this angle B and angle C, they are forming a linear pair. So I can say, sir, angle B plus angle C must be equal to 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. Angle B is 54 plus angle C I don't know is equal to 180 degree. So angle C will be equal to 180 minus 54, which is equal to angle C is equal to 126 degrees. Angle C is what? 126 degrees. So we got to know A is equal to, A is 36 degree, B is 54 degree, and this is 126 degrees. Got it? Let's move ahead for the next question. My next question we have got is this. In the figure, if xy plus yz is x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Now, if we have to prove that AOB is a line, that means I need to prove that this angle AOB is 180 degree. It is a straight angle. Okay? I know that x plus y is equal to w plus z. Also, one more thing I know that, sir, x plus y plus w plus z will be equal to 360 degree because they are forming a complete angle. Can you see or not? They are forming a complete angle. Ab dekho beta, I know x plus y is same as w plus z. So in place of w plus z, I can write x plus y also because they are equal. So it will become x plus y is equal to 360. Add them, 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. Take 2 common, x plus y is equal to 360. Shift 2 in division, x plus y is equal to 360 by 2, which is equal to 180 degree. So we got x plus y is equal to 180 degree. And beta dekho, x plus y, if you will see the value of angle x plus y, so this angle x plus this angle y is equal to angle AOB. So we can say angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. If angle AOB is 180 degree, we can say AOB is a straight line. Okay? Correct? Right? This is how you will get your answer. Okay, next question. In figure, find the values of x and y, then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, अब देखो बेटा भाई, first thing we need to find out कि values of x and y we'll find out, and then we'll show that AB and CD are parallel. So we don't know whether AB and CD are parallel or not. So we cannot use corresponding angle, interior alternate, exterior alternate, interior consecutive, exterior consecutive. We cannot use that because we don't know whether AB and CD are parallel or not. Okay. So first thing I can say कि sir, x plus 50 degree should be equal to 180 degree, which is what? A linear pair. By linear pair, for linear pair we don't want parallel lines. Na? So it is a linear pair over here. So from here we have got x is equal to 130 degree. Similarly, y will be equal to 130 degree. Why? The reason being vertically opposite angles. अब देखो बेटा, x is 130, y is 130. So we can clearly say that angle x is equal to angle y. Both are equal to 130 degree. And also the important thing is that, sir, x and y, what pair do they represent? They represent an interior angles as well as on the opposite side of the transversal, that means alternate. So interior alternate angles. That means if the pair of interior alternate angles are equal, lines must be parallel. So I can say, sir, by converse of interior alternate angle theorem, we can say line AB is parallel to line CD. Right? By converse of interior alternate angle theorem, we can say the line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay? But the questions are very easy, beta. In this whole part, questions are very easy. Now look at this question. In this figure, this is a very important question, even in your NCERT as well. So very important question. In this figure, if PQ and ST are parallel, okay, so I know PQ and ST are parallel to each other. Angle PQR is 110, angle RST is 130. Find angle QRS. So what we'll do, one construction over here. We will draw a line, let's say AB, passing through R. What is the construction? Listen the construction carefully. Draw a line AB passing through R. Ab dekho, if it will be passing through R, there are many ways you can draw the line. But the specific thing is we want it to be drawn in such a way that AB is parallel to PQ, and since PQ and ST are parallel, it will automatically become parallel to ST as well. So AB, PQ, ST all must be parallel to each other. Okay. Ab beta dekho what we are going to do. By look at these two triangles. Which two triangles I am talking about? Look over here. This is 110 degree. This angle, sorry. This angle is 110. Look at this angle. Okay, what is this angle? So I can clearly say, sir, PQ and AB, they are parallel lines. Okay. So this angle PQR plus angle QRA, that should be equal to 180 degree, because the reason is interior consecutive angles. PQR is 110 plus angle QRA is 180 degree. So angle QRA is 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees. Right? Similarly, beta, I will do the same thing over here as well. Here this angle is 130 degree. And here this angle is what? We need to find out. Okay. So here also what I am going to tell. By here I will say, ki, sir, angle RST plus angle SRB is equal to 180 degree. Same reason, interior consecutive angles. So we can say RST is 130 degree plus SRB we don't know is equal to 180. So we will get this angle SRB as 50 degrees. Okay, beta. So what we have got here? We have got this angle as 70 degree, this angle as 50 degree. Now we need to find out the value of angle QRS. Okay. So I will say that, sir, angle QRA plus angle QRS plus angle SRB will be equal to 180 degree, because they all are forming a straight angle. Angle QRA is 70 plus angle QRS we don't know plus angle SRB is 50 is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 50 is 120. 120 shifted over there. 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So angle QRS will be equal to 60 degrees. Got it? This is how you can get your answer. Easy question. So first, by interior consecutive angle QRA we got 70 degree. Then by interior consecutive angle SRB we got as 50 degree. And then I have used that angle QRA plus QRS plus SRB is 180 degree, because they are forming a straight angle. So you will get angle QRS as 60 degrees. Okay. Next question is this. In the given figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at a point T, okay, such that angle PRT is 40 degree, ठीक है, angle RPT is 95, angle TSQ is 75, find angle SQT. SQT, this angle we need to find out. First thing, yeah, I can say, sir, in triangle PRT, if I use angle sum property, I can say 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. So 95 plus 40 will be equal to 135 plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. Yes or no? So angle PTR 180 minus 135 is 45 degree. So this angle is going to be equal to 45 degrees. So if you know two angles of a triangle, you can easily find out the third angle. अब next step is what beta? भाई I will say sir next step में I'll tell कि sir जी angle PTR is equal to angle STQ. Both will be equal to 45 degrees. The reason being vertically opposite angle. So if this angle is 45 degree, the vertically opposite angle to it, that is your angle STQ, this will also become 45 degree, right? And now come to the part of your triangle SQT. So now I can say sir in triangle SQT 75 degree plus 45 degree plus angle SQT will be equal to 180 degree. 75 plus 45 will be equal to 120 plus angle SQT is equal to 180. So you will get angle SQT is equal to 60 degrees. So in this part mostly we have used triangles angle sum property. Triangles angle sum property. Okay, this is how you can write the reason for this. Triangles angle sum property. So angle SQT will be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, beta. So this is how this questions can be solved. Now look at this question. In this figure they have told PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay, listen carefully. PQ is perpendicular to PS. Can we see all that? Yes sir. We are able to see everything. Sir ji, PQ, this line PQ is perpendicular to PS. Okay sir. Then PQ and SR are parallel. So this line PQ and this SR are parallel. So yaar, if SR is parallel, ST also is parallel. Yes or no? हाँ, obviously. ठीक है. Angle SQR is 28. Angle QRT is 65. Find the value of X and Y. These two values we need to find it out. Okay. अब बेटा देखो भाई. What I will say first thing. Listen very carefully. Yeah, I know what they have given me. They have given me very well that sir PQ is parallel to SR. I know if PQ is parallel to SR, we can clearly say PQ is parallel to ST as well, because ST is just the extended of that line, extension of that line. ठीक है. अब बेटा देखो, listen carefully what I am saying. I am telling you कि sir जी this angle QRT is equal to this angle PQR because of interior alternate angle. So I can say sir angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. PQR is equal to QRT because the reason is interior alternate angles. PQR is equal to X plus 28, QRT is 65, X is equal to 65 minus 28. So you will get X is equal to 15 minus 8 will be equal to 7. Okay. And then here you have got 37 degrees. Got it? It is equal to what? 37 degrees. ठीक है sir. The value of X we have got as 37 degree. Now we need to find out the value of angle Y. अब बेटा observe कि this PQS is forming a triangle. PQS is a triangle, and if it is a triangle, it will follow all the properties of the triangle, that is angle sum property. So I can say the see in this one angle is 90, one angle we know is 37, one angle Y we need to find out. So I can clearly say sir in triangle PQS 90 degree plus X plus Y will be equal to 180 degree. The reason is triangles angle sum property. Okay, so you will get 90, X is equal to 37 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. It is equal to what? 180 degree, right? So now Y will be equal to 90 plus 37 will be equal to 127, so it will be equal to 53 degrees. So value of Y is what? 53 degrees. ठीक है? So this is how this question will be solved. So here I have used the properties of parallel lines and the transversal as well as the triangles angle sum property as well. So these are the kind of questions which are there in this chapter. Very easy topic. Acha, one more thing, if you will see, when I am solving all the questions, I have written the explanation for each and every part. Everywhere I have written the explanation. And it is very important when you are solving a question of geometry, especially geometry, to write the explanation, to write the reason. If I am saying angle PQR is equal to angle QRT, I need to mention why they are equal. Here as I have written, they are interior alternate angles. Got it? So it is a very important thing. If you will not write your reason, your marks may be deducted. So that is why always write the reason when you are solving the questions of geometry. Got it, beta? So this is all. As I was telling you earlier that Vedantu's Pro subscription you can get. Okay, the link for that is in the description box as well as it is in the pinned comment. Just go to that link, click karoge GPE Pro. If you will use, that will give you 20% off. Okay? So if you are feeling like ki, हाँ sir, I need some guidance, I can use some help, you are more than welcome to join. 2 packages you have. 1 month price is this. This is the 3-month price. Okay, it will include all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English, everything it is going to include. And this price, ab dekho, it is there. Price of 1 month is also given, 3 months is also given, but 3 month is more economical because price per month reduces. It will be costing you around 1800 something per month. Okay, so bus, very affordable part. If you can join, welcome, more than welcome. If not, no problem. Yeah, we are here at YouTube as well. Okay, beta. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Please don't forget to like the video if you have enjoyed the part. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.